Alright, what's up guys? Today we're back with another Emacs video, and today's going to be a little bit different because instead of me working inside of a VM, we have a guest host today, my good friend Zach, who we're going to be helping set up Emacs on his machine. So instead of connecting to a VM through a terminal, I'm connecting to a VM over Jitsi via Zach. So we'll see how the latency shakes out. But anyway, over to you, Zach. Let's go ahead and get started.
Okay. So I guess you just want me to open some good old fashioned Emacs.
Yeah. So I guess Zach, why don't you tell us a little bit about your setup here? Is this Windows?
This is Wang Blows 11. No, I'm just kidding. I'm using KDE Plasma as a desktop environment over Arch Linux, just a base Arch Linux install. I have downloaded just about everything that I need so far. It's one of the things I like a lot about Arch is you just download what you want when you need it. It doesn't come with any extra crap on it, so everything that I have I've downloaded because it's just quality of life that I like or stuff like that. So that's what I've been using.
Awesome.
Recently, actually, within the past week, I've gotten all of this set up. I switched from Windows.
Very nice. And with regard to Emacs, you just installed this from the Arch repositories, right?
Yeah, I did that today, actually less than 2 hours ago.
Beautiful.
And I've not opened it yet, so when I say fresh, it's fresh.
All right, and what are we trying to do with your Emacs today?
So I want to get Emacs set up the way that I have it at my workstation at the office, just so I can start working and editing my LaTeX documents for the research that I do and that you used to do and stuff like that. So I want to get that set up, but I also want to get it set up to start programming in Rust. That way I can start learning and actually contributing to some Rust programs and software that you work on and that I would like to start maintaining and working on as well for for longevity purposes.
All right, sounds good. Well, yeah, let's go ahead and fire up Emacs. We'll see how it goes.
Okay. I never know which one of these. Do I want client or just
No,
Emacs? I never know.
It shouldn't actually matter. So, okay, the first thing to check.
That was fast.
You'll see in the middle. Yeah, we'll slow that down pretty fast. Don't worry.
Oh, thank God.
This is Emacs 29.1. So, for the Rust stuff especially, we're going to try to follow mostly what I did in my previous video.
Yeah.
Which is good. That means a lot of stuff's built in. Okay. Beautiful. So, we've got Emacs.
Oh, yeah.
Now, the first thing to do is to open your config file.
Okay.
Now, one thing to watch out for that I run into all the time on stream and in videos is that sometimes Emacs creates a .emacs file for you.
Yeah.
Whereas I usually like to put my config file in emacs.d/init.el. So
yeah,
let's go ahead and try to open that file.
Okay. Oh yeah. Sorry. So what is it? It's Control X, Control F, just for.
Oh yeah, for the viewers.
For edification purposes, Control X, Control F to find a file. Let's see if I have a .emacs. I do.
That's a good sign. Okay.
Init.el. All right.
Okay. Beautiful. A blank canvas. All right. Now the first thing to do. This is actually just for the video, basically. But if you could type open paren. Let me find the right thing. Set-face-attribute. This is just going to make the fonts bigger, basically, for the viewers. For you guys at home.
Set face attribute.
Yep, space. And then quote. Default. Single quote, sorry. Guys at home, Zach knows how to use Emacs, but he's not an Emacs Lisp expert.
I'm not a Lisper.
Yeah, he does. Okay, let's leave it there. And then the next argument is nil. Actually, you can see at the bottom, it's already telling you some stuff. So this is set face attribute. We're setting the default face, so this should change the size of all the fonts.
Okay.
And then I think if you give it a nil frame, it tells it to affect also the current frame. So
Okay.
nil, and now we'll just set the height. So you type colon height, and this is called a keyword argument for you Lispers out there. And then I usually do 140. So these are in units of pixels, I think. So it's usually like 10 times the font size or something. It probably depends on your DPI. I'm not exactly sure. And then close the parens, and then if you hit Control X, Control E, it'll evaluate that.
Hey yo. Yeah,
Okay.
that's pretty big.
What do you think? You think that's big enough for the video?
Probably. If and I had to imagine.
Okay. Well, we'll proceed with that then. Okay. So what's next?
Oh, VI commands for sure.
Ah, yes.
Vim. I want Vim controls, dude.
All right, so we'll go ahead and take advantage of a feature from Emacs 29, and that's the use package is already built in. So just hit enter a couple times, and open some more parens, and just one.
All right, sorry.
Now just type use dash package evil.
So true.
Enter. Then we got another keyword.
Ensure, huh?
Yeah, so it's a keyword, so it's colon ensure, but yeah.
Dang it.
You got the right idea. T. You can set use package globally to always ensure, but I always type it every time. And then, okay, another line. You can do colon config.
Yeah, hold on 1 second. Colon config.
Yeah. So we'll just turn on evil mode once it's installed. And then another new line is the normal way to do it. And then open paren. I think it's evil dash mode. And then I usually put a 1, space 1. Then close both your parens and Control X, Control E. So evil mode is in ELPA. Yep, okay. So it should be installed.
Look at it running, dude.
Yep, there it goes. Yeah, isn't this awesome? Like
that's actually kind of sick, yeah.
You used to have these lines at the top. It's like require package,
yeah,
package initialize,
yeah.
Check if use package is installed. Okay, you should be, you're in insert mode.
Yeah, look at that, dude. Oh man, this is awesome.
So,
okay, great.
Now, this is something I always add. And I might actually have to paste this to you in the call because it's kind of complicated. But basically, when you're in Emacs, it tries to be very helpful, and it always creates backup files and archive files.
Yes.
So you'll end up with all this junk in your directories with like tildes at the end, or with like hashtags around the file name and stuff like that. Autosave. I always forget what it's called. Yes. So I usually add these 2 lines. Open chat.
Weeb chat.
To my
All right,
config.
look at that. Look at that.
And then you're probably going to want these as well.
Oh, man. Set custom file.
So while you're pasting those in, just to describe a little bit about what these are. So to some extent, I mean, the names kind of tell you what they are, right? The backup directory A-list just tells Emacs where to put backup files. And we're going to put that into .emacs.d/backups. And a similar thing with autosave files. We'll put them in autosave list. And then what we're doing with the custom file is sometimes when you do things, I think loading a theme is a good example. Emacs adds entries to your custom file. So we can tell it where we want the custom file to be. Otherwise, it puts them in your init file, just like it pins it to the bottom, which I find annoying. So you can either like go evaluate each of those, or you can type meta-x. Well, go ahead and save. Whoops. I think it's eval buffer -buffer.
Oh, do I have to be at the end? Like right here?
I don't think so. It sounded like you had try it again. Oh, did it work?
I don't know. Shouldn't it return like a nil or a T or something?
Yeah, try it again.
Nothing.
Well, a good way to check this is if you hit escape, go up to custom file, just put your cursor on it, and if you do Control H, V, and then hit enter. Yeah, okay, it worked.
Oh, there you go. Look at that.
Yeah, so what you just did was describe variable, and because we just set custom file, it updated the actual documentation.
Nice.
Okay, cool. So I think that's all of the annoying things fixed.
Beautiful.
You might want to save the file, I guess. Okay, cool. Let's see. What's the next thing to do? Now, you can load it. Do you want to load a theme?
Yeah, actually, I was looking at the one that you did.
Yeah.
Dude, and I was like, dude, that's slick. I didn't know I could do that.
Yeah,
I like the dark theme.
Okay, while you're experimenting, you can just do it with meta-x. You just type load theme.
Load theme.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
And then, all right, actually, come on. There's something else you're gonna need before we get going.
All right.
Let's install a new package that'll give you nicer prompts down here.
Okay.
All right. So the one I like to use now is called Vertico, which I think is short for vertical completion. Yeah,
okay.
Vertico.
Vertico.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, same kind of thing as evil. Ensure T config. This time it's just vertico mode.
Oh, nice. Is it vertico mode 1? Oh, whoops. Vertico mode 1.
Yeah,
like
I
that?
actually don't have the one in mind, but usually it's fine if you pass it like a positive number. Actually, okay. I just checked the documentation, and it says anything non-nil. So you can put 1 or T Beautiful. Or 12 or whatever.
Perfect.
All right. Eval that. I think that should be an ELPA as well.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, nice.
Now try to load a theme.
Oh, man. Look at that slick.
Much better.
Okay.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's why I like to install Vertico.
The one that you did was Tango Dark.
Yeah, Tango Dark is the dark theme I used to use.
I wonder what other ones I could... I guess I could look through a couple of them later. I'll just pick
Modus
Tango Dark.
Operandi is also nice. Oh, it is really dark.
Modus Operandi?
Yeah.
No, it's all right. I'll just choose Tango Dark for right now because I thought it looked cool. Yeah, look at that, baby.
Yeah, I like it. My website's modeled after Tango Dark as well.
Yeah. So just following the syntax, what I needed, like if I were to put it in here, would I do like, instead of use package, would I do load theme?
Yeah.
And then, was it
Yeah, look at the bottom. Look at the bottom.
Oh, nice. Tango Dark.
I think theme is... It needs to be a symbol, which basically means you put the quote before it.
Okay.
Yeah, but otherwise, yes, pretty much.
Like that?
No, sorry, the Tango Dark part. You put it, yeah, quote Tango Dark.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah.
And do I need to ensure and config, or do I just close out the paren and then it's done?
Yeah, just close it.
Okay.
So the use package stuff is for packages usually.
I see.
Some of this other stuff we're doing, like the load custom file, set queue, that's just like basic Emacs stuff. Same thing with load theme. We're just calling a function load theme with the name of a theme.
Okay.
Yep.
Cool. All right. Neat.
So there
Beautiful.
You go. All right, you got a theme. You got Vertico. I think that should be good for now.
Yeah. It's good. Well, I mean, until we need like LaTeX and all that.
Yeah,
stuff.
Of course.
Oh, I don't have any of the TeX live, any of that installed actually. So okay, I need to do that.
We'll cut that part. Actually, let's go ahead and fire up your terminal and get that installing so we don't have to cut the video.
Okay. Sudo pack. Oh, hold on. I didn't do this part either. Oh, wait, but I don't... Oh, never mind.
It's okay.
You know what it's called now?
I can mute... Yeah, it's TeXlive-science is probably the one you want.
But don't I need, like, the basic one, too? Or does that add all the dependencies?
This will pull it in, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, it's actually not that big of a deal. I used to install TeXlive full, which was like 5 gigabytes, and it would take like an hour to install or to download, I guess.
Yeah.
But Tech Life Science is not nearly as bad.
Yeah, and it's got everything we need.
Yeah. Yep, it comes with the American Chemical Society package. All we need.
Thanks, Axe. Oh my goodness. Oh, taking full well.
So is...
oh, there we go.
So which one do you want to do first? LaTeX or Rust mode?
Oh, I guess it doesn't matter.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. That's why I asked you.
Oh, dude, then let's... Oh my
If it
god.
mattered,
All
I
right.
would have told you which one was better.
Okay. Let's... I just did the LaTeX one, so let's shoot with that for right now.
Okay, sounds good.
That way we can do some.
All right, sounds good.
All right.
Yeah, so this is another use package.
Okay.
And this one's called auctex. AUCTEX. So I should mention before I get comments about it, there are other packages like this for LaTeX. Auctex is just the one I've always used. So
okay.
I think it's the one you've always used too.
That's because you helped me set it up originally.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess if people want to put suggestions, they can, right? But
of course, yes.
I don't know if
I guess yeah, that's a good point. I should have said I welcome the comments, the suggestions.
Well, yeah,
I have
of
not
course.
tried any of the ones that you guys have suggested yet, so I'm still recommending auctex.
Okay, sounds good to me. All right, now what? Oh, the insure T.
Yeah, do insure T. Now there's one important thing to add here, which is defer T.
Okay, so does that go up here?
Yeah, after insure T, do : defer T.
Underneath or on the same line?
Yeah. I think it actually doesn't matter. I usually do it on a new line.
Okay.
Okay, so what that does is it will not try to load auctex when you start up.
Oh, that's nice.
The reason you have to do that, you have to do it. You can do it for other packages, but for auctex you need to do it because there's not actually... I might have this wrong, but the problem is basically that there's not a package named auctex. Auctex like gets loaded with the other LaTeX stuff.
Yeah.
So anyway, I think there's probably a better way to handle it, but I always just do defer T.
Okay. Do I need to do like auctex mode 1 or...
No, because you only want it to load in LaTeX mode.
Okay.
So actually, I think for now there's probably no configuration for that.
So I just can close it out like this?
Yeah, but I think you have to not have the config keyword if there's no config.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
All right, so then I would just put it here.
Yep.
Okay.
That's not very Lispy of you, but we'll add we'll add config later and it'll look better.
Ah, geez, okay.
Yeah, this is pretty cool. So we might end up adding melpa as a package repository later.
Sure.
Just because I think it has a better looking version of company if you want company completion.
I feel like I would like to have company completion, yeah.
Yeah. I need to mention this in a more direct video, but I got a couple corrections on the last video, and one of them was that you can actually get completion without installing company, just not auto completion. So you can like request completion candidates from eglot without company. But yeah, you're probably still gonna want company. Yeah. And the version of company in ELPA has those really ugly colors. But if you install the one from melpa, it's like up to date and it reflects your dark theme and stuff. It looks really good.
Yeah, that's cool.
All right, why don't you go ahead and try to open a LaTeX document, I guess, just to probably maybe in your temp directory, unless you have one you want to look at already.
I mean, I have one for the paper that I'm working on now, but I mean, I don't know if I want to share it.
Don't. You gotta keep it secret.
Yeah, dude.
Wait,
I do top.
All right, save this file. You're scaring me. I've been told that I save files like way too often.
Yeah.
But yeah, apparently it makes me nervous when other people don't.
Test.tech.
Beautiful. Okay. Now I think this is a good sign. In the mode line at the bottom, it says LaTeX/P.
Yeah.
Now go ahead and hit Control-C, Control-M. So that should insert a macro. Oh yeah. And if you start typing document class,
Oh, baby.
now it prompts
Triple.
you for the document class. This is auctex. It's magical.
This is awesome, dude. Article for sure. Options.
12 point, of course.
12 PT. Does it recognize that? Okay, perfect.
Yeah, that's exactly right. All right, open a new line. Control C, Control E. What is it? Document? Begin document?
Yeah.
Doc.
Dude, that's so cool. I actually didn't know that you could do this.
Oh, really?
Yeah, hold on. Hold on. I gotta write this down so I can remember it, dude.
No, it's okay. It'll be on YouTube.
Oh, dude, I forgot. Dude, it's so natural. It's like I didn't know we were recording.
All right, now here, wait, you've got, what is that? What's that boo womp picture you've got in your temp directory? Do you mind showing that on stream?
Wait, what do you mean? Where you can see
Yeah, I saw when you were finding a file.
Oh yeah. Okay, hold on.
So let me show you. What are you doing?
Oh. Okay.
Right,
okay.
Oh, actually, yeah. If you hit, oh no, we need to add this to your init file. If you type meta x dir ed. Oh, it is bound. It's bound to control. Okay, yeah, just hit that. Yeah, enter.
Okay.
Yeah, go down. You can click on your boo womp. All right, that'll work perfect. All right, now go back to the LaTeX buffer.
Control X, Control B, right?
Yep.
Perfect.
And then I was going to show you another cool thing with auctex. If you hit Control C, Control E, so that's short for insert environment.
Yeah.
If you type figure, yeah, it'll like walk you through all the parts of a figure. So this is like the HT part.
Oh yeah, HT.
Yeah.
Caption. Boo womp.
Yeah.
Center always.
Yeah. Always.
What's the label? Boo womp for sure.
Perfect. Oh right, it doesn't do the include graphics part. I think I actually have a snippet for this, but oh dude, and then you can do Control C, Control M to insert this macro.
Oh dude.
Although it may not know about this one.
Include file.
Yeah, so it doesn't actually know about include graphics.
Okay.
But if you hit Control G, if you do Control C, Control M, so it doesn't know about include graphics specifically. Okay. You can still type a macro. Like if you type include graphics.
Graphics.
Yeah. With an S.
Oh, oops.
Yeah, it'll still do it.
Okay, perfect.
And the nice thing, that seems a little silly, right? Like why didn't I just type it? But now next time you hit Control C, Control
it'll be in there.
It'll remember it. And it'll be at the top, actually.
That's actually really nice.
Yep.
Don't I need to do don't I have to use something, right?
What? Use the macro.
What is it? Use package.
It should
look at
prompt
that.
you for that, actually.
Look at that.
Wait, it should be completing them. Oh, it's called Graphic X.
Oh, that's what it is. Look at that.
Oh, I guess Vertico's not working here.
That's sad.
That is sad. Works on my machine.
Options, none. All right, perfect. Dude, that's so cool. Look at that.
All right.
Wait, I didn't notice. The include graphics thing, it showed up as red because it doesn't recognize it. Did you see that?
Yeah, wow.
And then when we included it, it changed it to green. Dude, that's actually kind of dope.
It might actually complete it now. But we won't be able to tell because it'll remember it from before. Okay, yeah. That's great. So now save the file and let's try to compile it with auctex.
All right.
Control
C, LaTeX. Oh. Okay, do it again.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
So awesome. So now we got to view it.
Yeah. So actually, yeah, okay. So again, for viewers, for some reason, auctex always defaults to events for your TeX-view program. So what I usually like to do is go back to the init file.
Oh, you. What the hell is going on here, Jim? Hold on. What the?
I think you're
Wait,
hitting.
what's going
I
on?
think you're hitting Control X, Control B.
Oh, you're right. There we go.
Yeah, go back into your auctex block. And again, we have to do it this way because of the weirdness with like deferring it and when auctex actually gets loaded.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna add what's called a hook, which is,
Oh, yeah.
Okay, maybe I guess you know what hooks are for the viewers, or do you want it? You can explain it if you want. Or
No, I've heard the word before.
okay. So a
You
hook.
want-
I don't know. Actually, I should have thought more about the target audience for this video. It might be advanced Emacs users. It might be beginners. Assuming it's for beginners, a hook is basically a function that runs when something else happens.
Nice.
Maybe I don't. Maybe it's always when a mode starts, but I feel like it's mostly any when something else happens in general. So you can edit hooks with use package if you add a :hook keyword.
Bro. Oh, what's going on here?
You hit Control Z, so you're in Emacs mode.
Oh, whoops.
If you
How
hit
do I-
Control Z again, you go back to Vim mode.
Oh, thank God. Okay. Hook.
Now this one I usually do on the same line. Open space, open paren,
Yeah.
and then you need to do the syntax here. This is called a cons cell, so it's like a list where the elements
Okay.
are separated with a period.
Okay.
And the first thing is the mode that you want to add a hook to, and the second thing is going to be the function that you want to add to the hook.
Okay.
So you need to add a hook to capital L, A, capital T, E, capital X, dash mode. Yeah. 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 Not all lowercase LaTeX mode. I've made that mistake many times.
Awesome.
Okay, now space, period. And if you had a function, actually, we'll write a function.
Yeah, let's write a function.
So what I usually call mine is my, so my.
Am I doing that on this line?
Yeah.
Or okay. My
Slash. And then I would say like LaTeX dash mode dash hook.
Do I have to do this?
No. I mean, this is what you want to name the function. So this one's fine in lowercase.
LaTeX dash mode dash hook.
Yep. And then close the paren. And then go down a couple lines and just evaluate the expression. So the nice thing about this is that we can actually evaluate it before the function exists.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yeah. So now you can do it before or after this use package, but let's actually define that function. So the way you define a function in Emacs Lisp is with def1. Yeah, that's right. You need some more parens though. This is Lisp. You've got parentheses everywhere. def1.
There we go.
And then the name should be whatever you wrote below. So my/LaTeX mode hook.
Oh no.
And it's not going to take any arguments. So the way you say that is with an open and close paren. Maybe a space. The space is probably not required, but usually you want the space before the parens. Sorry.
Oh, right here?
Yeah. All right, yeah, and then now on the next line, what you want to do in this function is kind of what it recommended before, which is update the TeX-view-program-selection.
Okay.
So we're going to call a function to do that. So open another parenthesis. Actually, I don't know how much we've talked about Lisp before, but basically what you're doing with all these parentheses, the first thing in the parentheses is a function, and then the rest of the things are arguments. So
I don't know what happened, but I think you dropped connection real quick.
Okay, we're back.
Okay.
So can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So the first thing in the parentheses is a function or macro, something like that. Everything else is an argument.
Okay.
So even this defun form, right? Like we're calling the defun macro. The first argument is the name of our new function. The next argument is our list of arguments.
I see.
Yeah, Lisp is very recursive like that. So we're trying to call a function, so that's why we have the open paren.
Okay, so what is the function that we're calling?
Well, at least in my config, it's just push. So the list that Emacs looks in a list for what LaTeX, what program to use to view your document.
I see.
So what we're gonna do is push what we want to use to open it onto the front of that list, and that's what push does. So
Okay,
just say push, lowercase, yep. And then we have to actually push a list onto the list. So what I have is you open a paren, and the first thing needs to be out list. So we're constructing a list. We're calling the list function to construct a list.
Okay.
Space. The first argument is single quote output dash PDF.
Output dash PDF. Oh, I don't have Zathura either. Oops.
Okay. Well, do you want to use? If you want to use Zathura, we can just install it.
I mean, yeah. I mean, that's that. I mean, I already have Ocular, but I would prefer Zathura because it's faster. So I can. Let me go ahead and. Damn it! I did it again.
What's this login thing you have? Is that your message of the day?
I just like it. It's fun, dude. It's like you played Fallout, right?
No, I haven't.
Oh,
is that your message of the day file or what?
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
It's totally a message of the day and not something that I scripted myself in Bash RC, dude. Come on.
Oh, did you? Okay.
Yeah. Whatever. All right, perfect. All right. Anyways,
remember how Zathura works? On some operating systems, you have to install like a backend for it. Like you might actually have to install Zathura PDF in addition to Zathura. We'll see how it goes.
Oh, jeez. All right.
All right. So list output PDF, and then this is where you put Zathura. So space, double quotes, and capital Z Zathura, which has also gotten me many times trying to use lowercase Zathura.
Nice. Ooh.
So yeah, close the double quotes, close the parens. And then, as you see at the bottom, it's saying, what? No, not that one. And for push, it says new elt, which is a Lisp way of saying new element.
Oh my god.
And then you want to push it into some place. So the place is going to be our list. So
I see.
The variable here is capital T, lowercase e, capital X, dash view dash program dash selection. And then now you can close all your parens and evaluate that.
Oh, hold on. There we go.
And probably save the file.
I don't save as often as you do.
I think my saving thing probably comes from when I used to work on WSL.
Yeah.
It would just crash all the time. So I expect my programs to be like adversarial. It was like, this thing is gonna crash at the worst possible time.
I remember that reminds me of, and this isn't, I mean, this has nothing to do with like saving documents, but when I used to play on the old original Xbox,
yeah,
I used to have this Knights of the Old Republic game.
Yeah.
And I don't know how our Xbox got so bad, but it was always a gamble whether or not you were going to load into a new area and your Xbox would crash.
Oh.
And so, like, I would save before
and
after going into a new area, dude. It was terrible. And when I finally got it on like the Switch not too long ago, and I was playing through it, I started to do that again, and I was like, God, this sucks. And I was like,
wait, Nice Old Republic is on the Switch?
Yes, dude. Okay. I've already beaten it. It's so great. I love that game.
All right.
Anyways, but I was like, this is adversarial.
Yeah.
I was like, even on the Switch, I was like, I gotta save as often as possible. And then I was like, oh, I don't have to do that anymore. I don't have to do that anymore.
Then your Switch crashes. Should have done it.
No.
All right. Back to your LaTeX buffer. Back to work.
Back to work.
Okay, so the other important thing is when you add a hook like that, those get evaluated when you enter the mode. So to force a re-entry to the mode, probably the easiest thing to do is run revert buffer, which you can do now with Control X. Yeah, you can do it like that. But there's also a key binding for it now. Control X, X, G. Oh, not two controls.
Oh, I see. X, G.
Okay, you had, no, not G first.
Okay, look,
X.
hold on. X.
Now
it
X.
Doesn't.
Now G.
Okay.
Okay, now it should work. So if you hit Control C, Control A, it should open Zathura, hopefully.
Oh, damn it, hold on.
Oh! It didn't pop up, but I see it in the bottom.
Anything? Hello?
I
Dad?
suspect that you have... Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I was
Okay, you're talking about Zathura. Yeah, I suspect that you have to install one of the backends.
All right.
All right, back to the terminal.
Sudo pacman. Oh man.
I think it's yeah. So go ahead and search. I think it's Zathura-mu-pdf. Well, Zathura PDF mu PDF.
All right, that's
actually
that's
I usually
fine.
do the Poplar one, but either.
Oh yeah, yeah. Why? Why do you use why Poplar instead of mu PDF?
Sounds cooler.
Sounds good to me. Did I spell that right? Yeah, I did. Oh dang it! Hold on.
I always used to read mu PDF as like mud PDF, so we gotta go with Poplar.
It is.
I think Poplar comes with a bunch of. Oh, maybe not.
Okay.
All right, now I'll try it. Now try it.
Oh jeez. Oh, it did it, dude! Look at that.
Okay, great.
Ooh, womp.
And of course, for all the viewers out there, one of the things we like about Zathura is that it refreshes automatically when you change stuff. So yeah, if you want to...
Is a document.
And then... Yep. Oh, actually, okay, one other thing I like to do in my LaTeX setup...
Dude, look at that. That's so cool. Yeah?
Very nice.
Oh, I like to have it like pop next to. You think there's a way to do that? Oh no, because that was something on DWM when it would do
I think
the
that's
tiling.
actually your window environment. What I'm looking for is how to save
DWM.
Yeah. Okay, here I've got a cute thing for this. If you go back to your init file, and inside of your LaTeX mode hook, you can do it at the top. That usually makes it easier to add stuff, so you don't have to like move the parentheses down. Yeah, just open a new line there.
Okay.
I've done what's called add advice to a function. You've probably never heard of this, have you?
No.
Okay, so Emacs has this concept of advising functions, where you can take a function and you can add advice like before it or after it or around it.
Yeah.
And this is a way of like augmenting how a function runs without actually touching the function itself.
Okay.
So what I do here is I open paren, I advice add
advice
dash add space, and then you can put just a quote. I put a hash quote here.
Hash quote.
Yeah, that's
like that.
Yeah, that's like a way of quoting that like emphasizes that you're quoting a function name.
Okay.
And now capital T, lowercase e, capital X. So we're adding a dash command dash master.
Okay.
So we're adding advice to the function that runs when you hit Control C in LaTeX mode, so that it saves the buffer before it does that.
Oh, okay.
So that way you don't have to save and then hit Control C. You can just hit Control C, and it will save the buffer and then start to recompile it.
Nice.
So text command master, and then inside of and then space. Again, you can look at the bottom. Oh no paren. If you look at the bottom, we gave it a symbol. Now we're telling it how we want to advise it.
Okay.
And this is a keyword. In this case, it's :before. We want to do this before we run the command. And then space, this time paren. Now we're just going to put a function right here. So you can just put lambda. That's the function / macro for defining like an anonymous function without a name.
I see.
So lambda, it has to take arguments, which I think is part of the reason I do it like this. So this time open paren, and then you put an ampersand, rest, space, r, close the parens. So that basically tells it to take just the rest of the arguments. And then, no, don't close that one yet. Space, open paren. This is where we actually save the buffer. You just write open paren, save dash buffer.
Oh, cool.
Yep. Now close all the parens.
Every single one of them.
Yeah, one more.
Okay.
And you can actually evaluate that if you want.
Already did.
Oh, that actually doesn't need to be in the hook. It'll work. It's good.
All right.
Okay. So yeah, if you go back to your LaTeX buffer, you should be able to try that out. I think it'll work right away.
No, hold on. I gotta try. I just want to type something.
Okay.
Test.
Oh yeah.
All right, Mr. Krabs.
Because before that, I used to always get annoyed where I would hit Control C, and it would be like, "Would you like to save the file?" Like, yes, of course I want to save the file.
Look at that. That's awesome.
Yeah, pretty good. Okay, I think... I mean, this is kind of a rabbit hole, honestly. I have a lot more LaTeX configuration. I have stuff for inserting references. I have like my own function I wrote that I've never shown on video before. For editing a LaTeX table in an org mode buffer. You probably don't want that one.
Yeah, I don't know how to use org mode.
Okay, so we can skip that one for sure.
Now, the inserting references, that one does pique my interest, not gonna lie. NGL.
Okay. Well, if you want that, I have like this gigantic block of code in my... what is this? I have a ton of code for this. I guess we'll test the limits of Jitsy's chat. It might just like crash the chat.
Oh my god. All right.
I really need to actually put this into a real Emacs package. Alright, I'll paste it all for you and we'll see how it goes.
Alright, sounds good.
Okay, I think you need this. Do we need this? Okay, while you're here, go ahead and add another package. Actually, put this next to Vertico, because this is like related to Vertico.
It next to?
Yeah.
You mean like below?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know how these things work. All right, what's the package?
It's called Marginalia.
Marginalia?
Yeah.
How do you spell that?
A-L-I-A.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I think this is not important. I think these are all important.
Bibtex.
Oh yeah, that's a big one. Okay, and then let me go check my Marginalia stuff.
Is the Marginalia one that needs to have the config too, or?
Yeah. On this one you'll have config and Marginalia -mode.
Okay.
Because this will actually augment Vertico pretty much everywhere.
Oh my gosh, dude, that thing is huge.
All right, try switching to a buffer. Marginalia should work on switch to buffer.
Like just any, like...
Yeah. Oh, well, wait. No, pause. Yeah, this right here. So this new stuff down here is Marginalia. So it's showing you like the status of the file, the size of the file, the mode of the file, and the actual file associated with the buffer, if it is.
Okay.
So the cool thing you can do with Vertigo and Marginalia and this bibtech thing I just sent you is it will parse your bib file,
Okay.
and when you go to insert a reference, it will show you something like this with the key of the paper, the authors, the title, the date, the journal, all that.
Oh, cool.
So I use
Okay.
Vertigo and Marginalia to do that.
All right. So
And
what do
this,
I need?
in my opinion at least, this is cool enough to actually make like a package. But I haven't done it yet.
Okay. Wall of text.
Yeah, there are
Wall
two
of
walls.
text.
The first one's a very small wall, but I think you need both of the last two messages I sent.
Okay.
So, guys,
right.
if you've made it this far into the video and you're interested in this package, let me know down below. And maybe I'll actually do it. I've never done a melpa package from scratch, but this would be a good excuse to do it.
All right.
And then
All
you
right,
don't have
hold
to
on.
try to paste this into your own config.
All right, here we go. Look at that.
So I'm pretty sure that's what I use to generate the marginalia entries.
Okay. Let names, year, title, capitalize, advice, add.
Yeah, so there's advice again.
Okay. You want me to just go ahead and
Yeah,
grab
just dump it
all
in.
of it?
We can walk through it if you want to.
Yeah, for sure. Well, at least a little.
Yeah. We don't have to do every single line. Yeah, another plug for the channel. When I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm thinking about doing a 1,000 subscriber special. And one
What's
of
the special?
my ideas for that is a live stream where I walk through every single line of my config. So.
No, oh my god.
Let's see, how long is it? All 1,500 lines of my config. So if you want to see that, remember to subscribe.
Remember to like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
All right, hold on a second. Hey, first of all, my name is not. What is this BRW crap, dude?
Yes. Oh god, don't. It's kind of scary to change that because you have to change it everywhere.
Well, I can just do %s, right?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I can do that. %s br.
Yeah, so that function, for example, is a really small helper function, where it's just extracting one field from whatever bibtech returns to you.
Yeah. Okay, that sounds good.
Yeah, cool. My vertico-bibtex. Maybe truncate. Oh, yeah. That takes like some maximum length, something like that. Oof.
All right.
It's been a long time since I looked at this. And I have like these hard-coded lengths. See, the maximum title length is 35. Nice.
Insert a bibtex citation at point using completing read. If arg is non-nil, refresh the bibtex completion cache. Interactive P. Perfect.
This is one of the most serious pieces of Emacs Lisp I've written, probably. So do you have library on your computer?
Yeah, but it's not. I'd have to change the destination.
Oh, okay.
Because because I have it as a submodule in my research.
Oh, geez.
Directory. It's actually pretty easy to set that up. I don't want to hear it.
Yeah, I haven't tried to get submodules since I was like a sophomore in college.
Yeah.
And I made some disastrous mess of my repository then. I haven't touched
it
since. So
perfect.
Okay, I think that'll work.
All right, perfect.
So probably just eval the buffer, and probably this will go disastrously wrong, but we'll see how it goes.
Yeah. What is there? There's a key binding for that, right? Or is that just or is that just eval buffer?
So marginalia should tell you actually.
Invalid syntax.
I think you have to go to the bottom, which doesn't make sense to me.
Oh, I see.
I think it must eval the. I think I saw you delete a parenthesis somewhere.
Well, what is that? 43? Is that line 43?
Yeah. Yeah, I saw you delete something here.
Oh, okay.
Hold on, let me go back to mine. Unless you can find it. There's actually an Emacs command for this. If you do meta x, I forget what it's called. I think it's like mismatched parenthesis or something. Try paren. Okay, this is actually, so there's actually another package that goes with Vertico, which is called orderless, which lets you search in more of a fuzzy way.
Okay.
Because right now when you're using Vertico, it you have to type the letters like in the right order. Oh, it's just called check parens.
Oh, okay. Do I do it at the end of this line here?
You can do it anywhere. I think it checks the whole buffer.
Check parens, unmatched bracket or quote.
Oh, just take that one out. That's my fault actually. I have that inside of my auctex block, so you can just delete that. Yeah.
Delete this paren.
Yeah.
So this is fine where it's at right here.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. All right, here we go.
That's actually outside the function, even though it's right next to it. Okay. Ooh. All right. Bibtex is from melpa, so we gotta add melpa.
All right. How do I do that?
So open paren, add to list.
Add to list. Oh, probably needed 2 of them.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Quote. Package dash archives. And I was thinking about subjecting you to this. Like, you can actually, I could make you like look at all of these variables with Control HV, and we could read the documentation. We could read the documentation for the function, add to list.
I think that's variable. That seems like an in-depth video for later.
Right. So everybody at home, this is your homework assignment.
Oh God.
Anything you don't understand in this video that we're doing,
RTFM.
Read the documentation. Put your cursor on add to list. Type Control HF. It will fill in the default. Actually, Zach, why don't you just show them one example?
Control HF.
Describe function. It defaults to the one your cursor's on. If you hit enter, it'll open up a help menu.
Hey yo.
And I'll admit, sometimes these are not as helpful as you might like. Especially for me, coming from Rust, I really want to know the types of things. Like when it says list var, does it mean a variable or a symbol? Like, am I supposed to quote it or not? But this is still a good place to start. So there you go. Control HF for functions, Control HV for variables. But I'll just keep reading things to you. So add to list, package archives, and then we're going to add a list to that list. So you need space. Yeah, you can do it that way.
Is it like that?
No.
Oh.
You had it right, list.
Okay.
Mine's actually a quoted list, but this is good too.
Oh my goodness.
Or does it need to be quoted? We'll find out. Okay. Quotes. Oh no. It's actually not a list. It's not a list. My bad. Back it up. Back it up one more. Quote. Open paren. So in some cases there are these distinctions between like a list and like a cons cell, like a dotted pair. We need a dotted pair here, so I think it's better to quote it. So in double quotes, type melpa. I think this is the name, so potentially you can make this whatever you want. Yeah, perfect. Close the quotes, okay. Space, period, space. And now the URL. I mean, I guess I can just paste this.
Give me the sauce. Does it need to be in quotes like this?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, I don't know why it added those spaces.
I don't know.
And then, close your 2 parens. And eval. Beautiful. Now, I guess go to the bottom and try to eval the buffer again. So hopefully all of those bibtex packages will actually be found in melpa.
All right. Meta X. Eval Buford.
Okay.
Neato. What's going on here, Tim? Hey yo, look at that.
Cool. All right.
Dude, sick.
Where's your binding? let's use another feature of use package.
Okay.
Go back up
All right. Where?
to use package. Oh, sorry. My bad. To auctex.
There it is.
Yeah, sorry, it's a long way up now. All right. So in addition to insure, defer, hook, we can also bind. So do :bind, space, open paren, and we can actually set a binding per map, like per keymac. So if you type :map, and then space LaTeX -mode -map with the same up and down stuff. And then I have a new line here. It's not strictly necessary.
Okay.
But it looks cooler.
I reckon.
Open paren.
Okay.
Oh, this is not the one I thought it was gonna be. Wait, we might already have a binding for this.
I've already messed this up.
No. Okay, we don't. Wait, where do I have this binding? Oh, it's at the bottom. Okay. Anyway, yeah, put your binding here. Type open double quotes, capital C dash lowercase c. So the convention is to bind things yourself to control C. And then space. I have mine on B. You can pick whatever you want here. So I do control C B for insert citation.
That's fine with me.
I think B for bibtex.
That makes sense.
Then close the quotes.
Sure.
And then space period. And this one is called. So then you put a function.
Okay.
I think you don't quote it or anything, right? Yeah, so I have mine called brw/vertico-bibtex. I guess yours is my/vertico-bibtex.
Where's that at? My/vertico
-bibtex.
Is that somewhere down here?
Yeah, it should be. If not, we're gonna have problems, but hopefully.
There it is.
Oh yeah, that's the one I actually wrote documentation on.
Perfect.
All right, close that paren. And the next one. Boom. All right, there you go.
Now what?
Oh yeah. Now. Yeah, so you try to evaluate just the map section.
Cringe.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah, so use package. This can get kind of complicated with Lisp. Use package is a macro, so it has like everything inside of the macro basically can have a special definition that isn't normal Lisp. Yeah. Okay, good. You evaluated that. All right, now let's get back to your LaTeX file and try it out.
All right. All right. So what's this? Control CB. AF. Symbols function definition is void, dog.
Is that in my code?
AF.
What is this? Oh my god. This is from some like random utility folder I have. That I didn't even know I was loading. All right, here. So this is the A stands for anaphora. This is so stupid. Why did I do this? This is what happens when you do too much Lisp, guys.
What do I need this for?
Well, my code expects it to be defined, so.
Cringe, dude.
Yeah, so I think what anaphora is, if you read Paul Graham's on Lisp, he defines a lot of this stuff. I think anaphora is like when you say it like refers to something else. I don't really remember the full explanation. But this is basically a macro that binds it to whatever like the condition is so that you can use it inside of the rest of the if. So you say like if this thing is true, then something that involves it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so I did that. So I'm gonna try this again.
And this is an example of a useful non-hygienic macro. Yeah, look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Isn't that cool?
Okay, so now I can just start.
Yeah, start typing a key. I think it only searches by the keys.
Oh, okay. Woo! Oh, dude, your microphone appears to be noisy. That little noise I just made got. Oh, that's sad.
All right, pretty cool, huh? Uh-oh.
Ah, jeez.
Technical difficulties. Are you still there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
You here?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you are. Oh, so I guess in this one I should have done, what's it? Control X, Control... Is it Control X, Control E? Add an environment? How do I do that again?
What is that? Control
I don't
C know. Yeah, all of the auctex stuff is Control C. Control C,
okay.
Control M inserts a macro. Oh, actually, wait, hold on. Hit Control G. If you highlight, like visual mode, so yeah, select
it. Yeah, and then Control C, Control M.
Yeah, it'll put it inside. Yeah. Well, never mind. It works on my machine.
Perfect. Thanks, dude. Oh wait, no. Wait. I could have added the key.
Yeah, but it won't.
Oh well, yeah.
Yeah, it wants you to type the key. I always type this myself. If I made this a real package, then what I want to happen is when you do vertico-bibtex, it should look if you're already inside of like a slash site, and if you're not, it should add that. But I haven't worked on that yet.
Fine.
So you still type slash site, and then you hit Control CB.
Nice, dude.
Okay, I think that's pretty much everything for LaTeX mode that I have, I think.
Bibber. Dude, wait, where's bibtex at? There it is. With 2 error messages. Oh, jeez.
Oh, wait. Actually add a reference, yeah.
Oh, man. What is it? Slash bibliography?
Dude, come on, use the macros.
Oh, yeah. Dude, I forget. I
think it's add. Yeah, it's just bibliography, I think. But Control C. Yeah, there you go.
Example.
I don't know what that is. I think that's supposed to be example.
Example, you know what I mean?
So this needs to be like the full path to your bibliography, yeah. Like
okay.
/home /Zach / whatever.
Well, can I just do?
No, you cannot do tilde.
Dude, lame.
Absolute paths only.
That's so sad.
Or relative. I think relative to the current directory too.
Okay.
Slash rest.bib.
Wait, it's just refs, right? It wouldn't take refs.bib.
Yeah, I think it. Yeah, either way should work.
Okay. All right, so now I should be able.
Now
to
you can do Control C, Control A, and it will do everything it needs.
Oh, dang it!
Yeah. So yeah, the convention I was referring to earlier is you bind user commands to Control C and then a single letter. A lot of packages bind things to Control C, control a letter.
Womp.
Okay, so you do have to run it, maybe bibtex once yourself, or maybe just.
Oh, only one error message this time.
Hit Control C, Control L to see what happened.
I found no bib style command.
Oh yeah. Okay.
All right, Control C M. All right, is bib style.
Akim so. Oh.
Uh-oh.
I don't know. Just pick any of them. I hope you actually got Akim so.
I don't know where it would be at, to be honest with you.
All right, go for it. Control C, Control C. Good. Good.
Oh, it opens 2 of them now. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. No, don't look at that. That's secret information.
Yeah, everybody go cite that paper.
Hey, everybody, cite this paper. Next time you're writing some kind of paper, make sure to cite this. Oh man. Okay. I gotta figure out. Wait, I gotta figure out where Akim so is, dude. I wonder if it's.
I think it's actually not a bibliography style. Try making it your document class.
Oh, yeah.
But the reason I didn't suggest this originally is because ACMSO requires a bunch of stuff like title, author, date, maybe something else.
Oh yeah, that's right.
So
All
it's
right,
gonna be
I'm not.
annoying. Like if you
I'm
try
not.
to compile this, it's gonna
Yeah, I'm not.
complain.
I'm not doing that.
But we'll
I ain't
try
doing
it.
that
Try it just
crap.
to make sure it's installed. But it should be installed.
Akim. So, oh man.
Ooh, that's not good. Tech
Yeah,
Life. I thought Tech Life Science would have it.
I don't know.
All right, viewers. If you're trying to write ACS papers, you might need more than Tech Life Science. I know that they changed the LaTeX packages recently.
Yeah.
PDF Tech. Um. I wonder if it's like Science Extras or something. Tech Life Basic. Not sure. It didn't immediately come up on the LaTeX wiki.
The old Google search.
Yeah, or the Arch wiki, I mean.
Oh man.
But anyway,
I'll figure that. I can figure that out
off
later.
camera. Do you want to move on to Rust mode? Is there anything else? That's most of what I have for LaTeX mode.
Yeah, that's fine because I mean everything else after this is just me figuring out how to get AKIMSO on my on my freaking machine here. Yeah, I think that's fine. I think we can close this chapter of our adventure.
All right, I'll tell my editor to add a mark there. That's
Oh
that's
man.
me, by the way. I'm just joking.
Well, I know that when I do this, I
Yeah.
plan on cutting this into like 20-25 minute segments
Oh yeah.
and then just making it a playlist.
Oh, that's a good idea. I was just
Yeah.
gonna upload the whole thing.
No, dude, people don't like long form videos right now. Oh, I guess people like long form videos if there's two people that can interact.
Yeah.
Because then it's more like podcast style.
Yeah,
But
that's what I was just thinking. This is kind of podcast like.
this is dude, we're tech podcasters now.
But I might try to cut down. I might try to like cut out the clips of like actually setting stuff up, and then also post the whole thing. You can do that, right?
What? Sorry, what?
I think I'll post the whole thing,
Yeah.
and then I can also post like clips of us actually setting stuff, like specific pieces up.
Yeah.
Nice.
You could put that on YouTube Shorts.
Yeah. If it's really short, I could try a short. Yeah.
Well, I think Shorts allow a minute,
Yeah.
maybe a little bit more. So you could cut really specific things.
Yeah.
Like here's what you need to insert evil mode or some stupid crap like that.
I have thought about that. Yeah, we might try some of that. Let me know down below if you guys want to see that. Let me know if you guys are gonna watch my shorts. You know, just like watch the same one over and over.
Yeah, let me know if you guys are gonna wash my shorts.
Wash my shorts. Cool.
Don't like this. Let me know down below if you don't like this yellow shirt wearing.
Yeah, actually, God, this is an hour in, so hopefully somebody's still watching. If you're still watching, and you want to see a tutorial series learning to program Rust with Zach, right here, Zach, let me know down below because we've been talking about that, and I haven't like taken any concrete steps to actually do it. So if you guys demand it, we'll do it for sure.
Faux show.
Well, if Zach's interested,
I'm interested.
Okay.
Color me interested.
All right. Well, let's do the preface to that series and get you set up programming some Rust.
Okay, sounds good. I guess I'm gonna go to my init.el.
Yeah, back to init. Okay.
Init.
Now, I'm trying to decide if I need to pull up my YouTube channel for this or not.
YT.
USPro.com. I gotta mute my tab. Go to YouTube channel.
Mutt.
Trying to find the config. Did I send a link to the whole config? No, I didn't. Not very nice of me. Oh. There it is. full screen. Okay, I'm ready. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready now.
All right. Oh no, I didn't hit pause. No.
Haha, dude, you're gonna
Oh
have to
my
do more
goodness.
editing. More editing on your end.
No,
Roll them out.
I'm not editing. This is like a live stream. This is a podcast. We don't
Yeah.
edit podcasts.
Yeah, but
Okay.
they also post the whole thing. I'm cutting mine.
I'm gonna post the whole thing.
I'm gonna use
Okay.
tenacity to like make the audio sound all crappy.
Oh, jeez. Okay, so let's move into our Rust setup. Go ahead. Let's hit escape.
Oh crap!
The dog is inside the bookshelf. All right, hit ZT. We'll make this look like a clean slate.
ZT.
Yeah.
What the hell did that do?
It just moved the current line to the top of the screen.
Oh, is that a thing you can do in a Vim file?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even.
Yeah,
I didn't know that.
You can do ZT, ZM for middle, and ZB for.
Oh,
bottom.
cool.
Yeah.
That's cool.
All right. So, what we're gonna use here is. Wait, why did it move down?
I pressed the up button.
Oh. We're gonna take advantage of more new features in Emacs 29 that I talked about in the last video. So what I used to do here is like use package Rust mode, and it'll install it from melpa, I think, melpa, whatever. But Emacs now has a built-in Rust mode that we can use.
Hey yo.
So let's use it. We're still going to use package, but instead of use package Rust mode, which would install an external package, we can use package Rust-TS-mode, where TS stands for tree sitter. So this relies on the new tree sitter integration in Emacs 29.
Awesome.
And then you hit enter, and I think you do ensure T. I used to think ensure T was only for like packages that you like fetch and install, but I think we want it here as well.
Okay.
Let's see. Now, is this right? I'm looking at my video on the left, and I'm not sure that that's right. Hopefully it's right. We'll just go with it. So we're going to use both tree sitter and also eglot. So eglot is the language server.
Okay.
It's going to communicate with Rust Analyzer, which is a program that gives you like autocomplete and automatic imports and all kinds of stuff that makes writing Rust actually pleasant.
Okay.
No, you don't have to do that. Eglot is built in as well.
Oh, okay, nice.
In Emacs 29.
Okay, cool.
So,
cool.
all right, Rust TS mode, ensure T, go back up there. Go under ensure T. So this was one of the other corrections from my last video. Somebody emailed me about. If you type :mode, and I actually haven't looked at the documentation for this, but we can replace. Actually, we can look at the documentation on camera. Hit Control HF. We're gonna look at the use package documentation. Yeah, enter. Form to be added to auto mode A list. So for the people who watched my last video, you can edit auto mode A list directly to make sure that when you open a Rust file, it goes into Rust TS mode. But you can also use package for it. So I think we'll just take a guess here. Go back over to your mode, open paren, and let's look at my video. Double quote, // period, rs, // single quote, double quote.
What the?
This looks insane to me, but this is what auto mode A list looks like. This is how we tell it to do an RS file.
Okay.
Space, period, and we're just going to try Rust-TS-mode. This is actually experimental. I don't know if this is going to work. And then close the... Now, well, don't close them all yet.
Oh my goodness.
Go down. Now we're going to add some hooks. So colon hook.
All right.
And 2 parens, because we're going to add multiple hooks. Do Rust-TS mode. So what we're going to do here is we're going to both ensure that eglot starts, so space, period, eglot dash ensure.
Dash ensure.
One word.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah,
Dash
it's Emacs convention to
ensure.
just use dashes between words. Now close those parens. And this is the syntax for use package to add multiple hooks. So then we can also add a hook. We're going to start company mode, which we will also have to install.
Yeah, so what is this? Is it just
So
company mode?
It looks best if you put this on another line. This is also going to start with Rust TS mode.
Okay.
So the first argument is the mode to add the hook to.
I see, right.
Then the thing to call, which is company mode. Close that, and one more. And now, go down a line, and we're going to add some config. So this is actually very important. And I actually got some questions even on the last video about this, because it's a very annoying thing to have to do. But we have to make sure that Emacs can find Rust Analyzer.
Oh, geez. Okay.
Because, actually, can you open a terminal? Let's make sure we can find it before we try to help Emacs. So if you do ls.cargo/bin, this is where RustUp usually installs stuff. How did you install Rust?
I installed what was it? RustUp. Oh. Well, I mean, I installed RustUp, and then whatever the thing is that you sent me earlier before we started recording.
Oh yeah, RustUp default nightly.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I forgot about this. You don't have Rust Analyzer yet.
Oh, okay.
You have to do RustUp. This is an interesting thing for the video. RustUp component.
Oh, hold on, wait. Let me make this a little bit larger.
Perfect.
RustUp
component add.
Component add.
Rust-analyzer. Yeah, give that a shot.
Ayo.
Now do that ls command. I thought that's where it put it.
Scratching my head.
Oh, wait, where's my Rust Analyzer? Oh, that must be... Okay, I've actually never had to do this thing on Arch, but on Ubuntu, I've had to do this. So, okay, if you don't know what I'm talking about, if you have issues with your path, then see my last video. I think you're actually going to be okay on Arch.
Based.
Yeah. All right, forget that config thing then.
Based Arch config, dude.
All right, close it and run it.
The whole thing?
Yeah, run it.
Wait, okay. We need to install. We still need to install company mode though.
Yeah, but you can evaluate it.
Okay. Uh-oh.
Beautiful. Oh yeah, that looks like it worked.
Perfect.
See, I have no idea. I mean, I understand the / period. So this is something you see a lot with Emacs regular expressions, where it has like 2 backslashes, because you want basically 1 backslash to end up in there. So you have to escape the 1 backslash, and then the backslash makes the period a literal period instead of like a regular expression period. But I don't know what the backslash single quote is for at the end. Okay, but anyway, yeah, go ahead and install company. And don't do that. Don't do that. I mean, you can do that. Personally, I don't like to have company mode active everywhere, because it'll be active like even in like a text buffer, and it'll try to like complete words, just like random words you're typing.
I don't like that. Okay, so this is fine then?
Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, okay. Just evaluate that. Hopefully it's going to contact melpa, and you'll get the pretty one.
Yeah. Hey, yo, look at that. Nil.
Okay, yeah, now go ahead and open up a Rust mode buffer.
I don't know how to do that.
Well, just find a Rust file. You have the... So, Zach's about to show a Rust file probably from... Actually, wait, do you have... What Rust projects do you have on here?
None. I just have the Rust... I just have whatever the website one is.
That's fine. So
Okay.
Zach's about to show off some secret technology from a private repo that I let him
Oh man.
view, but I
Let's
thought
see.
about making it public. It's not a big deal.
Projects,
Source src. Yep. Yeah.
and then
Probably
main
main.
is fine.
Yeah. This is for a little bit of a web project I have.
Error
Okay,
in
this is great.
post command hook.
Yeah. So the important error here is cannot activate tree sitter because language grammar is not installed.
Okay.
I don't know what that thing at the bottom is. Oh, okay. It still doesn't think you have Rust Analyzer, so we might have to play with the path, but we'll see how it goes.
Okay.
So the first thing to do is to actually install the language grammar for Rust. So
Okay.
if you hit meta-x, Emacs 29 has a handy tool for doing that. I think it's treats it. Yeah, you really need orderless as well. Treats it. Yeah, it's there at the bottom. Dash install language grammar. And then Rust. Yep. Yeah, we want to build it interactively. This is pretty cool, I think. Did you just like mash enter?
No, I hit it once.
That's okay. It actually had the right default, but we could have lingered on it. That's okay. Just hit enter again. Enter again.
Oh jeez.
Enter again. Enter again.
Oh my god.
Okay, it's installed.
Okay.
So now you can revert the buffer again. So Control X, XG.
Control X, XG. Hey yo.
Look at that syntax highlighting. So now we are having issues with eglot.
If I type which Rust analyzer, is it gonna do anything or no?
Yeah, try that.
Which Rust? I don't think so. Analyzer. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know where it installed it. I know you added it to Rust Up.
Which Rust Up?
My Rust analyzer is in user bin. Mine's in user/lib/rustup/bin/rust analyzer.
Oh my lord.
Okay, type ls. Check that directory /user lib rustup bin.
Lib user rustup bin. Hey, there you
Do
go.
I have that on my path? No.
A mysterious case of it worked on my machine.
User lib rustup bin. I don't know why that's not on your path. Wait, just try running Rust Analyzer.
Okay. Rust and Analyzer. Dude, I don't know.
I don't know. Okay, well, anyway. Well, back to what I was saying from the video then. Go back to
Perfect.
Emacs. And go back to your init file. And inside, go ahead and add a config section to the Rust TS mode thing. And we're just going to modify your path inside of Emacs.
Right?
So, make a new line. Just to be nice and cool. So, there's a command in Emacs called set-env. So, open paren, set-env. One word, actually, no dash. And then you just give it the name of a variable. So, in this case, double quotes, all caps, path. I feel like there must be a better command for this, but this is how I do it. So you're going to set environment path, close the quotes, space, open paren, concat, so this is for concatenating strings, space, open quotes, or no, not quotes, paren, get env path, So this is basically like export $path : whatever. So we're getting the current variable, close paren, and then space, double quote, colon, and then whatever the path to Rust Analyzer is. To the
what was it?
To the directory.
User / lib / rustup / bin.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, the slash should be fine. So close the quote, and then close both parens, and then hit escape, and hit capital J.
Capital J.
Perfect. Now you look cool. All right,
Okay.
now, yeah, eval that.
All right.
All right, now go back to the Rust buffer. And just try meta-x eglot. Yeah. Couldn't guess LFP server. Rust TS mode. Just hit Control G. Just revert the buffer again. Control X, XG.
Oh yeah, hold on.
Or you can type it. It's fine to type it.
All right, I reverted the buffer and it gave me the same thing. At least I thought I reverted the buffer.
Okay, type control. Wait, what do we want to type here? Actually, type meta shift colon or meta shift. Yeah, meta shift colon. Type paren, open paren. This lets you evaluate a single Lisp form. So get env. We're just gonna do get env path. See what your path looks like. All caps. Yeah.
Right?
Yep. Close it and hit enter. User lib rustup bin. Is that right?
Yeah. Oh wait, it should. I think Rust Analyzer is a directory inside of bin.
Is it?
At least it looked like it to me.
Oh wait, that's actually a symlink on my machine. It points at user bin rust. Oh. Oh, I bet you don't have Rust Analyzer. Or oh, you do have Rust Analyzer.
Yeah. See?
Wait, try running that directly. User lib rustup. Yeah. Beautiful. Wait, /user. Yeah, /user /bin is on there. User lib rustup bin. Maybe you actually don't need the. Maybe you need not to have the slash on the end.
Okay.
Also, it's not going to run. It's waiting for input. Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's good that it hung like that.
All right. Let me reevaluate that piece. Control X B main, and then Control X X G. All right, it got mad again.
What the heck? Okay, the other thing we might have to do. So I said in my last video, or maybe in the comments, I wasn't sure which line did it, but there's a second thing that you can try. If you go back to your init file. Right after config, we'll add another line. So Emacs sometimes looks at your path and sometimes looks at this thing called exec path.
Okay.
So open paren, add to list. Oh, actually, wait. Backspace all of that. Backspace.
Oh my lord.
You can start company mode in Emacs Lisp mode. It'll actually be helpful. So just do meta-x company mode.
Company mode. Oh my lord.
Hey, my channel is PG, dude.
Dude, just put the freaking
beep.
Just put the beep on it.
I'm gonna put myself saying beep, Beep.
No.
Okay, there you go. Now I'll start typing add to list.
Oh, okay, I see. Add to AO.
Beautiful. You have to hit, yeah, I think it's enter to accept the completion.
Yeah.
Kind of
Yeah.
crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, right. Add to list, and then space, quote, exec path.
Is it all caps?
No. This is actually, this time we're modifying an, yeah, exec path. We're modifying an Emacs variable, which hopefully is where eglot is looking.
Okay.
Space, and then you want to put the same thing that you just added to path. Well, except without the colon. So /user/lib rust up bin. In quotes, yeah.
Okay.
Why a double quote?
Yeah, I didn't know I could do that. All right, loser. There you go.
Now you need one more paren and then eval again. Eval.
Okay.
All right. Let's try it again. Back to Rust mode.
Control X, XG.
Money. Okay, everybody watching. You need both. You need both.
You need freaking both, dude.
Including...
Dude, I love the little spinning thing down here.
Yeah. I'm glad you recognize it as a spinner. Uh-oh.
There he goes again.
Poor quality,
dude,
no.
This is so sad. All right, there you are.
This is definitely my internet. Okay, this is great. This is beautiful.
Do you have like planes going over your house or something? What's going on? Blocking your satellite?
Wait, I do actually, yeah. We live pretty close to an airport.
Or is somebody running the microwave? All right, what's it doing?
It's just chilling, dude.
Oh,
okay.
It's because I wasn't on the buffer.
Oh. Okay, so I would hit, close that. So something I didn't cover in the previous video is how to compile. Actually, I mean, I did compile actually last time with just meta-x compile.
Yeah.
But what I usually like to do is I use a package called projectile for managing projects.
Yeah.
But there's a similar thing built into Emacs called project.
Okay.
So if you hit Control X P, and then I'm hoping it's C. Yeah. Beautiful. So this is running the command project compile. This is important to note for the viewers, and probably for you, is if you run meta-x compile, it runs the compilation in the current directory, which is fine if you're just doing like cargo run, for example. But where I run into trouble is that meta-x compile runs in the current directory. But usually when you're running like tests or anything that depends on other files, usually you code those paths relative to the root directory of the project.
Yeah.
So the reason to prefer this command that we just ran project compile, is that it runs the compilation from the root of the repository.
Nice.
So yeah, you can do make, that's fine, and then if you just write run, I mean, it'll do what we did earlier, or what I told you to do earlier. And then hit enter.
Wait, isn't it? Wait, yeah. Okay.
And it asks if you want to save. It asks if you want to save everything.
Sure. Womp womp.
Uh-oh.
Error.
Click on that link.
This one?
Yeah. Wait. Cancel.
Scancel.
Wait. Hit enter? It doesn't jump to it? Oh, I guess hit enter. Try that. Okay. Well, it's supposed to work, but apparently it doesn't. Yeah, just hit Control G. Well, it works. I don't know. You might have to customize something.
Okay.
Let me check mine real quick. It's supposed to jump you to the error. And I kind of vaguely remember doing something with that, but I don't see anything. Not sure.
Not sure.
All right. Well, anyway, it panicked at CV entries. Oh, I bet I bet Rust mode actually changes something that makes that work.
Do you hear my
Yeah,
cat?
the cat's mad.
Come here. What are you
Okay,
doing?
so maybe you can't just use Rust TS mode by itself. Rust mode might actually provide some useful stuff still. But
Okay.
we'll try to proceed for now.
All
Well,
right.
I don't know. I want to give you like a good environment.
Well, I mean, all right. Well, hold on. Let's just maybe this particular. Oh wait, it's all. Would it would be all of. It would be any Rust.
Yeah, it's any Rust thing. Well, okay.
Okay.
Well, let's debug this first, and then we'll figure out the environment issue. Hit
All right.
GR in that buffer.
Which one?
The one you're in.
Okay.
Oh, hit Control X XG. I think if you revert the buffer, it will. Yeah, it'll do this. Great.
What's going on here, man?
Well, we need to like. Okay, go to your other buffer.
Okay.
We need to like go look at that file, which is why we
What is
really
it?
want the actual thing to work.
If the
Yeah, control. No, this is the wrong file.
oh
You have to go. Yeah, Control X, Control F. CV/entries.rs.
in trees.
Yeah, in
where do you
trees.
wait? Where are you seeing
In that red
at?
thing, I was trying to get you to click, but it didn't work.
Oh. I see.
Now line 50.
Pandoc.
Oh, you don't have pandoc. Wait, how did you run this earlier? Oh, it worked earlier because I had pushed a new CV that was less than an hour old. Okay, you need to install pandoc.
Oh my lord.
That's hilarious. I was like, wait, how did it work earlier?
My man. All right,
Oh my
fine.
goodness.
What is it? Sudo. Oh, hold on. Wait, let me make
Yeah,
this a little bit.
sudo apt install.
No. Pandoc. Oh my lord.
Yeah, pandoc sucks. I mean,
I don't.
pandoc is awesome, but the way it's packaged on Arch is kind of annoying.
Dude, I don't want all this.
It's too bad you got to.
Dude, this is crap.
Beep.
I want my own button. I need a button that
Yeah.
I can press that beeps for me.
There's a guy I watch. That guy I sent you the video of earlier, the Primogen.
Yeah.
I don't know if you watched it, but he has a little button on the side that he hits.
Man, I'm gonna have to rewatch this whole thing just so I can find out where I cursed at, so I can add a beeping
Beep.
noise.
Yeah, I know. It really does. DistroTube used to always say like it takes forever to edit videos. I mean, this is a 2-hour video. It's gonna take me 2 hours to watch it to edit it. You know,
Yeah.
not even counting like all the time stopping and actually editing.
Yeah, but at least we know that it was in like the back half of the video,
Yeah.
and then you can speed it up at that point.
Yeah, for sure. Okay.
I
now
thought about
go check the
writing like writing the time code
Yeah.
down,
Yeah.
but I didn't. Okay, go back to the compilation. All right, here we go. What do I do now? Oh, I need to set up a key binding so I can
Yeah.
press like F5 or something.
Yeah, go back to your config. We'll go ahead and do that. I actually do this at the bottom, like outside of everything, because I like to have it as a global config,
Yeah.
like a global key binding. You could set it. Remember, like we did that map thing earlier. You could
Yeah.
set this only in programming modes, but I like to have it everywhere because if I compile something, and then maybe I'm back looking at my to-do list, like in an org mode buffer, and I still want to be able to recompile with F5.
Yeah.
So the way you set a global key is with global set key.
Global.
Oh yeah, we have company mode.
Hey yo.
Space, open paren,
Mhm.
KBD, space.
Oh, there's a smaller one in here. Come here, Larry.
Larry.
Dude, Larry, look at him. YouTube and the world and Brent meet Larry.
Wow.
Dude, he's little. Look at him.
Look,
He's
with
so
Jitsi,
little.
I can put you on the front. Wow, a big cat. Full screen cat. Oh wow.
And then here we go. Look, wait, hold on.
We got the cat cam.
Kitty cam.
Hey, buddy.
All right.
Jitsi's pretty cool. This is neat. Like, it even has like a little fade. Like, okay, back to the code.
Yeah. What
All
are you guys doing? Why are you guys bothering me?
So KBD, and then the syntax is similar to what we did earlier for the binding. So it's space, double quote. Oh, and then I put mine on F5.
Yeah. So is it like this, or is it F5?
It's less than F5.
Wait, less than?
Yeah, less than F5, greater than. That's
like that?
Than. No. It's the.
Oh, I see.
It's the other alligator.
I forgot. All right.
Close the double quote. Close the paren. And now you tell it what to actually run, which is hash quote recompile. Yep. Close the paren. And eval.
Nice.
And now F5. Yay. Force him to save the file.
Woo! Our address already in use.
Oh, that means you already have this running somewhere else.
Oh yeah, I do. I forgot about that.
So that one's a legitimate error.
Okay.
So you gotta go kill that one if you want to run.
All right, hold on. Can you see my screen right now?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Wait, which screen?
The one with streamer mode is enabled. I think that was Discord.
Okay. Yeah, hold on. Where the all right, there we go. All right, dude, get off my freaking. This stupid cat started eating my lunch.
Oh no!
Yeah, it's got like soy sauce on it. Dude, chill out. All right, hold on. There we go. Now I can hit F5.
Now it should work. Yes.
Oh, I think it did it.
All right, you gotta show chat the. I guess it's not chat. Oh my goodness, that's like what streamers say.
Yeah.
You gotta show the viewers. You guys are much more elevated than chat. You're the viewers.
True.
You have to show the viewing audience this website, at least briefly.
All right.
You can't just tease them like that.
All right. Hold on. Let me get a new instance of Brave going on. Oh man.
Good call.
All right.
Uh-oh, I hope Michael and Austin aren't watching.
Look at that. The website.
So that's the top secret website we've got. That everybody knows about now.
Look at that.
Yep, 205.
Wow. Oh wait, hold on. Is it on here? Look at that. There we go. That right there. That is the paper that just got accepted. So this CV that he has on Box is currently out of date.
Out of date. Very nice. Yeah, everybody in chat. Not chat. Sorry, guys. All the viewers, drop a congrats for Zach down below.
Drop a happy Pepe in the chat.
No.
I don't know what the streamer lingo is for like a smiling or like a excited Pepe would be.
All right, is there anything else? Oh, there's one more. There's another important thing for all the programming modes.
Yeah.
Potentially. Not, maybe not all of them, but we actually can do some configuration on eglot itself. So go back to your config.
Okay. All right.
So do use package eglot.
I don't want to. Okay, let's.
Okay. I mean, you don't strictly have to do this on eglot.
Okay.
We're going to actually no. Do you?
Oh no.
No, just no. Let's just do it on Rust mode. Never mind.
Okay.
Add a bind section on Rust mode.
Okay,
But do it before config. I think config might have to be last. I'm also not sure about that.
All right.
Bind space paren :map space rust dash ts dash mode
dash map.
Yeah. I think you can hit tab to complete a common prefix, like in the shell. But I'm not sure about that. Okay, now go down a line. Rust ts mode map. I think now is it a list again? I always have to look these up. Python mode map. Yeah. So open paren. I always bind F6 to format stuff. To like format the buffer. So if you do open paren, double quote, less than F6 greater than double quote, double quote.
Oh, sorry.
Space, period, space. And I think it's eglot dash format. Is it not eglot-format?
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure it's eglot-format. Just, let's try it. Format.
Okay.
Format.
Oop.
And then close two parens. And then go down and eval that whole section. This use package stuff is so cool. I really like how like compact it makes it. It puts everything in the same place.
Yeah.
All right, now go back to your Rust thing. And go down to that use.
This
and
here?
hit greater than twice. Greater than.
Oh, hold on. Okay.
Now hit F6. Hey, it worked. Okay, yeah, eglot-format is it. It must only be defined when eglot's active, which also makes sense. It just changed a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, I saw. I saw that. Yeah.
So maybe undo that for now until I can fix that. So I'm pretty sure what happened is that I have a global Rust funct config that sets the line lengths to 80.
Oh.
But the default is 100. So if I want it to work, even for you, I need to add a rust funct.toml to this project.
Cringe.
So that's my bad.
Okay,
cool. I think go back to your Rust config. Let's see if there's anything we're missing. I mean, the compilation thing is really bothering me. But I want you to use Rust TS mode. Let's go. Yeah, just go. Let's go ahead and install Rust mode.
Okay. So that's a use package thing?
Yeah, use package Rust mode.
All right.
And then just ensure T. We're not going to try to activate it or anything.
Whoa.
Oh yeah, semicolons are comments. Yeah, give that an eval. Because this adds some other stuff that's handy to have.
Okay.
Alright, now save that. Go back to your Rust config.
Oh.
And then revert the buffer.
Okay.
Okay, now type meta shift : like we did earlier. And type major dash mode. Yeah. Yeah, see, it's Rust mode. Sad. But go ahead and compile it. Let's just see if it works this time. Actually, wait. Oh, yeah, that's fine. Yes.
Look at that.
let's add an error intentionally.
Okay.
Just delete a semicolon anywhere.
Semicolon?
Yeah, or
okay.
a colon. Yeah, just delete something.
Okay.
Okay, great. Now run it. F5.
Dude, look at that. It's got like a little.
Yeah, double exclam.
All right, F5.
Not like in chess. This is bad. Okay, now go over there. Yep. Now click it. Wait. Click it. Did it work? Oh, yeah. And put your cursor over there.
Oh,
on
nice.
the error. That's what it's supposed to do.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Okay.
Help.
Well, everybody watching at home, we did all this work on Rust TS mode, and now
Oh, no.
now it's just Rust mode.
So sad.
Just devastating.
So sad.
So, what we need to do actually is we need to load Rust mode, and then we need to replace Rust mode with Rust TS mode in the auto mode A list. So go ahead and save this.
Okay.
And go back to your init file. Oh god. The dog burped under the desk and it smells awful. Try putting Rust mode above Rust TS mode. And then we'll just try restarting Emacs and see if it works.
Okay.
Now, there is actually one other thing that I use from Rust mode.
Yeah?
Wait, do I use Rust TS mode now, I think. Rust TS mode, Rust mode. Yes. Crap.
Yeah.
Underneath Rust TS mode,
Mm-hmm.
or no, regular Rust mode, I think. No, just go down to that binding thing that we did for
For Rust TS mode?
Yeah. So after the one that you have there,
Uh-huh.
let's add something using a binding from Rust mode itself. Well, no, go inside the map parens.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, just enter there. So I usually do, open paren, double quote. I bind this to Control C, Control D. So capital C dash lowercase c space capital C lowercase d. Close the quotes. Space, period, space. Rust dash dbg dash wrap dash or dash unwrap. Close parens.
Okay.
Okay, now go down. Yeah, eval. Save. You can I actually use the Emacs binding for saving pretty often. It's Control X, Control S.
Okay.
That way you don't have to do insert mode.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, go back to the Rust mode buffer. So what this should let you do is go down to, just go on anything basically.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah. Like some word, like use or create or something.
Oh, okay.
And hit Control C, Control D. Nice.
All right.
Yeah, and then undo that. Or you can go, if you put your cursor on debug, it will undebug it. That's what the wrap or unwrap means.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Control
C, Control D. Nice.
Yeah. I use that one a lot in Rust.
Looking good.
So save that. And now we can use yet another feature from Emacs 29.
Oh, geez. All right.
It's restart-emacs. So meta X, restart-emacs. And we're going to find out a few things here. The first thing is it created .emacs.
No.
So actually go to your terminal and just delete .emacs. There should be a file .emacs.
Yeah. Wait, hold on. Okay. I'm just rm restart.emacs.
Yeah. Now go back to your Emacs and type restart Emacs again.
Woo!
Yay!
Dude, nice.
All right, now go find a Rust file, and we've got to see what mode it goes into.
Okay.
I have a bad feeling it's going to go into regular Rust mode. Wait, no, it must have done Rust TS mode because it's starting eglot. We didn't put eglot in Rust mode.
No.
But to check, we can do meta shift colon,
Meta shift colon.
and just type major dash mode. All right, now make sure that the Control CD thing works. Ooh, yeah.
It sure does, buddy.
Beautiful. Okay. Oh, make a compilation error again. Let's see if that. Let's make sure that that works. Because we're trying to inherit that from Rust mode. So I'm actually afraid that that's not going to work.
I see. Okay, so now I
save
just need to
that.
hit. Yeah.
Oh, you hit F5. Nice.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
You have to do
What is it?
Control X P C.
That's terrible.
So Control X is the way lots of Emacs built-ins start. Ooh, that looks like it's gonna work. Oh yeah.
It worked, baby.
Okay, good.
Smooth.
So just having Rust mode. Well, I guess ensure T actually does load it in the background.
Mhm.
So just loading it in the background does some kind of magic that makes errors work.
Nice.
Nice. Okay, there
Dude,
you go. I would consider
looking good.
that like a fully functional Rust environment.
Okay, sounds good, man. After 2 hours and 17 minutes, or whatever our uptime is currently.
No, we're under 2 hours, and I think we didn't start recording for like 20 minutes.
Oh, nice. Hey, look at that.
Under 2 hours, we got a full LaTeX environment, a full Rust environment. I've gotten a lot of requests for a Python environment, but I don't think that one's really as relevant for you, is it?
No, not really.
Yeah.
I don't write much Python. I don't write any language, actually.
Okay.
Is LaTeX a programming language?
Yeah. LaTeX is a programming language.
Oh, thank God.
I think you can write loops and stuff, so that makes it a programming language.
Perfect. All right. Well, I think that's good.
Okay, great. That was fun, dude. Thanks for the suggestion.
Yeah, of course. I wanted your help on it, and I thought perhaps this would be a good tutorial, a live tutorial.
Yeah, this is awesome.
On what could go wrong, how you can troubleshoot it,
Yes.
and after a while, get it working.
That's what I often have trouble with my videos, because I like showing the troubleshooting and running into errors stuff, but I also like to make like a clean video. You know, like a clean 10-minute video is so cool.
Yeah.
But
I think
it's more helpful for people to see the debugging.
I think the reason that you might like that is because like it's the philosophy when you write papers is you write what would work the first time.
Yeah.
But often, folks,
it seems to be what people like to watch, but that's not the best reason to make videos, or not the only reason, at least.
Yeah, right.
Unless you want to be Mr. Beast.
No, that's okay. I don't want to be. I just want to be me.
Yeah.
Mr. Me.
Well, cool. There you go. Yeah, I'll push that change to this repo. That was a good catch. That way you can actually hit F6 and it doesn't create a gigantic diff. Resolve.
11 entire edits, my friend. 11
whole
whole
edits.
File. So true.
So
true.
Oh my God, you killed Emacs.
I sure freaking did, buddy.
Oh wait, I was actually gonna ask. I might want to make that config like in a GitHub gist or something.
Okay.
Do you want me to send? Yeah, you can
send
send
it
it to me, and I can make it a gist, or you can make a gist, and I can link to yours, or whatever you want.
Oh, you can show me how to make a gist. That way I can put it on my GitHub.
Oh wait, well if you want to do it,
Let's make it a separate video.
a separate video. All right, cut.
Yeah.
2
All right,
hours. Oh,
cut.
am I gonna stop recording?
Yeah, might as well.
Okay.